Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'll be giving you a tour of this Volkswagen Polo that we have in stock. This is the 1.4 litre petrol manual finished in your upgraded blue metallic paint. So firstly I'll just walk you around the exterior of the car. You've got your BlueGT badging on the front following the other blue elements around your vehicle. And we've got your upgraded 17-inch wheels that look really nice on this car. This car has also covered over 48,000 miles. So walking around to the back. So you've got your GT Blue Motion badging, and then to access the boot we just simply push the Volkswagen badge in and lift. As you can see, you've got a generous space, got plenty of room for your weekly shop, and then we've got some extra space if ever required. Then moving into the rear, you've got your cloth trim, you've got your blue inserts adding that unique element to the vehicle. Got enough room for your friends and family to travel in the back. It's in a really lovely condition. And then moving to the front, we've got your front sport seats. And then once we get inside, we've got your radio receiver. And then we've also got an aux input for all your music. And down here, we've got all your aircon controls. And then moving down, we've got two handy cup holders. And this car is also manual. Got another cup holder down here, and then I'll just give you a close-up of the seat. All of the colours contrast so well together. And moving around the dash. So we've got your GT badging at the bottom of your wheel. Got your white instrument cluster. We've got your lights. Then up here we've got your Bluetooth touch phone kit to pair your phone to the vehicle. And we've also got your electrically heated adjustable door mirrors to reduce any condensation. So if you have any more questions on this vehicle, then please give us a call. Thanks for watching.